You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary, or at least vocabulary that confuse some people from Islam and Arabic. Yeah, there are two different ways of pronouncing it in English. Muslim. In any cases, there's a Z sound there. Muslim. The Americans say it more as Muslim. So it's never Muslim. It's never an S sound, but a Z sound. Muslim or Muslim. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.